Hi, today we're going to be talking about integers with LSC. Our first problem to start with is number 1, 3 plus negative 5. Wait, does that make sense to you? You might be getting confused by these parentheses, but the parentheses don't mean anything. So let's start with our positive number 3 plus our negative number 5. So let me tell you something with integers. With integers, when you have a negative and then a positive, you want to change this sign and actually do the opposite. So we're actually going to be minusing. So you can just look at this sign to know when you're minusing. So 3 plus 3 minus negative 5. You don't really need to know the negative part, so 3 minus 5. 5 is overpowering 3, so it's going to be a negative number. So what plus what equals 5? 3 plus 2 equals 5. So our answer is going to be negative 2. Now on the second problem, still, the parentheses don't mean anything. So we're starting on a number line at a 10. And now we're subtracting, or are we adding? We're adding. 10 plus minus 2. But this doesn't make sense, does it? Yes, it does. Remember, the parentheses don't mean anything, and we're starting at a 10. There's different ways you can do this. You can use a number line, which I'm going to show you right now. So here's our number line, and here is our 0. Now, below our 0, no, we start above our 0 at 10. So here's our 10 starting point. Now, are we going to the left or the right? We're going to the left because we're subtracting 2. Wait, we're adding. So we're going to the right. So we need to add 2. And that gets us to 12, our ending point. So that's our answer, 12. And just so you know, this negative sign, you don't even need it. It's basically 10 plus 2. And 10 plus 2 equals 12. Now our next problem. Number 3, 4 plus negative 3. Remember, we're going to subtract. So 4 minus 3. 4 is overpowering, so it's still going to be positive. So 3 plus what equals 4? 1. So this equals 1 and not negative. So you can use a timeline to help you. You can use word problems to help you. Or you could just figure it out yourself. Now we're going to do some more problems. Okay, so number 4, they're both negatives. So you know how I told you on the first problems that you need to change the sign to the opposite? Well, on this one you don't. You're just adding 2 negative ones. So let's get rid of the negative ones. So what's 5 plus 5? 10. Now we need to add the negative sign. So this would equal negative 10. And now we're going to subtract. My negative 20 minus negative 10. Remember, parentheses don't mean anything. So, negative 20 minus negative 10. So, you don't need to change the sign. So, 10 plus 10 plus what equals 20? I just gave you the answer. It is 10. So, this is going to equal negative 10 because we're in the negatives. Thanks for watching. See you next time. You can also see more videos on my blog at ecdor23 at ccsd.cc.